Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, I will be guiding you through how to receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. So let's get started with the video. First of all, open your Coinbase application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your Coinbase account as well. Now after you are in the main homepage, click on the transfer button at the bottom right corner. In the pop-up, click on Receive Crypto. In order to receive a crypto, you'll need to verify your info. If you haven't already, click on Verify Info and then verify with your photo ID. Select your ID type from the options that you have available. Upload your documents by taking a picture of it. Make sure to take both front and back side of your documents picture, and after you are done, your identity verification will be proceeded. You'll receive an email when it is done. After it is completed, you will be able to display your Bitcoin wallet address and QR code. Copy your Bitcoin address or use the QR code to share it with the sender, and once the sender sends you Bitcoin or any other assets, it'll appear in your Coinbase account after a few network confirmation. So that is how you will be able to receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.